Bullish Mbox cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.67 and $3.64 by 2030. Market investigators accept Mbox could reach $1.67 by 2025. Bearish Mbox market cost expectation for 2022 is 29 cents. Mbox presentation. As digital currencies became standard, their applications have additionally moved past method for installment. One such application is the somewhat new non-fungible token. NFTs are remarkable advanced resources that only one individual can possess. Yet, what precisely do NFTs mean for the crypto world? And how have they changed the game in the recently arising metaverses? Enter the Mobox coin. In this article, we'll go over the essentials of Mbox and let you know all that you want to be aware of the coin's anticipated cost so you can choose whether to purchase Mbox. Thus, continue to peruse for the total Mbox value expectation and contributing it. What is Mbox? The Mbox coin isn't exactly a customary coin on the crypto market essentially, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Rather, it's a local utility token. Thusly, the assessed cost expectation contrasted with the cost forecast for other normal digital currencies. The task that Mbox coin was worked for to act as a utility token is the Mbox convention. The Mbox convention is a yield-cultivating crypto project that produces coins for the mobox and internet gaming metaverse. What is a utility token? A utility token, once in a while known as an application coin or a client token, is an extraordinary sort of crypto token that permits token holders to utilize items and administrations. In that capacity, the Mbox token is the token inside the Mbox convention, permitting clients to get to administrations inside the mobox metaverse. Utility tokens have different expected expectations and projections contrasted with commonplace digital currencies. The justification for these distinctions is that utility tokens are frequently unregulated. They structure a miniature economy inside various blockchains and consequently have an alternate cost expectation, market cap, and future cost conjecture. What is a yield-cultivating task? Yield cultivating is a method for benefiting by loaning cryptographic money and benefiting through revenue. Despite the fact that yield cultivating isn't really a wise interest temporarily, it might get a decent return 2 or 3 years' time given that the cash has a consistent cost increment. Yield cultivating projects are otherwise called DeFi, or decentralized finance projects. That is on the grounds that clients loan or get coins on a decentralized exchanging stage. Whether a yield-cultivating project is a productive speculation relies generally upon the sort of digital currency being exchanged as well as the cost figure. Relative strength list. The general strength list is an energy-based oscillator for cost gauges. For our situation, Mbox figure. RSI estimates the change, or greatness, and the speed, or speed, of directional cost developments. Straightforward moving normal, also called an unweighted moving normal. The straightforward moving normal gives equivalent significance and weightage to every period in the informational index. Mbox Central Examination. At first sent off in April 2021. Mbox is a token for exchanging gaming NFTs. As such, it's a method for procuring and exchange coins as you mess around on the Mbox site. Mbox is gathered and controlled through in-game resources, notwithstanding. Not at all like most NFTs which are based on the Ethereum blockchain. Mbox is based on the Binance Savvy chain. The typical figure cost, greatest cost estimate, and Mbox cost increment are in this way essentially connected to the Binance blockchain. This likewise pursues Mbox a harmless to the ecosystem digital money decision, making it carbon nonpartisan. Mbox current cost. Mbox is presently worth 37 cents USD. Mbox has moved 0.47% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,857,482. Mbox is presently positioned 265 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $62,581,713 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Mbox to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Mbox Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Mbox Mbox cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Mbox will before long outperform 92 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Mbox's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Mbox will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 74 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 81 cents. Mbox Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.30 and Mbox might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Mbox is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.19 and a low of $1.11 in 2024. Mobox value expectation 2025. Assuming Mobox effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the Mbox coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Mbox will be green in 2025. The Mbox is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.67, with a base cost of $1.48 and a typical cost of $1.56. Mobox value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Mbox cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.93 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.85 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Mbox has a greatest value worth of $2.04. Mobox value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $2.30. On the off chance that Mbox figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $2.41. Neglecting to accumulate the help Mbox needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $2.23. Mobox value forecast 2028. While Mbox is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.60 and a yearly cost close above $2.78 in 2028. Mobox value forecast 2029. By 2029, Mobox will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.97 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $3.15, averaging out at $3.04. Mobox value expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Mbox cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.64 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.49. And NFTs are as yet a somewhat new innovation. In this way, it is hard to know their general effect on the crypto market and as long-haul monetary speculations. In spite of this vulnerability, exchanging Mobox is as of now a respectable market venture. Until further notice, one can anticipate that Mobox should acquire financial backers and prevalence in the future once metaverses become well known from now on. Thus, look